अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Dear students, today we will study how to write a letter in English and what is the format to write a letter. What are the important parts that have to be included during a letter. But first of all, we have to recite the dua of ilm. Salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habibullah. Rabbi Sidni ilma. Salatu wassalamu alayka ya Nabiullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Nurullah. So this is our content. Letter to uncle for thanking him for birthday gift. Writing an informal letter, there are many things to remember. That letter writing still has a sentimentally about it that transcends all other forms of communication, and this is probably why some people stick to it enough thought they could have used other means. Our first point is address and date. Some people may think the address is not important in an informal letter and prefer to leave it out. That works well if the person you are writing to knows your address already or if she has a good memory. However, it is very unlikely that someone will always remember your address. So it is always a good idea to include it. Remember, this is the address they have to write to for the letter to reach you. The recipient's address is always on the envelope. The second one is salutation. The most common salutation in an informal letter is dear. Note that it is followed by a comma, just like that. Dear Mimi, however, some go extremely informal and they use hey or hi. You should use your discretion. Obviously, if you are writing to a letter to your father, you would never use hey. It's against our adab. Unless, of course, you are extremely close, just like your friends. The third one is a letter body. Here are a few things you should take off. The first one is paragraph. Such informal letters are usually written by hands. The paragraph are usually intended, however, with more people using their computers to do most of their writing, and I have a very bad feeling most people will forget how to write with their hands. It is becoming a common practice to write paragraphs without indications. Like the way this one is written. This is the modern way of writing paragraphs. Use informal language. This is also the second and most important point for us. The first paragraph generally expresses a greeting followed by wishes of good health. Remember, you are writing to someone you know very well, so try to be as friendly as possible. Just like the examples that, how are you, my dear sister? How are you, my dear uncle? These are the examples of the first paragraph and the first letters. Try to picture the person you are writing to standing in front of you. Imagine the things that you would say to him and write them down. This will help you not to go overboard. Also, avoid boring sentences like I am writing this letter to blah blah blah, and unless you are writing to a stranger. Even so, try to be as amiable as possible. Try to be as conversational as possible. You are allowed to use colloquial words and languages. That is, language is appropriate for speech but not really for writing. Use consistent voice and style. Use the active voice if you want your letter to sound more conversational and also interesting. And one of the most important things is that avoid shifts in the voice. This is the most important thing to write a paragraph. Ask the questions. It is always a good idea to ask questions in the body of the letter that you would like the person to answer in the reply. But questions work as a good base on which to write a letter, and they give the recipient motivation to reply. Here's an example for you. How are those wonderful brothers of mine? Did I tell you that I am a librarian too? Yeah. These are the simple and informal method of writing a letter. That on the right hand side, top right, you have to write your address, home address, city, and the date. And then you start your letter by salutation, which is the second point of this topic. And this is the letter body, that I am fine and I hope, and also and all the things. These are the main content of your letter. And in the end, you have to recognize by yourself that yours truly, and put your name on the below right side. These are the some things that we already discussed. That first you put your address and date, then salutation, then one of the most important thing, the letter body. It gives charm to your letter. Then your name. So I hope, my dear students, you got the best method to write a letter to your friends, families, and relatives. In the end, my dear students, I hope that everything I've taught in this lesson is very clear. Revise it at home. May Allah strengthen your memory. Ameen. Jazakullahul khair.